I think this is the wrong direction. About PHP and JavaScript, this is okay. I'm usual work in this environment, and our last project was big. When I was in pharmacy, this is about 200 pharmacy location and all that working about internet, over internet, online, all time.
Mhm.
So this is my problem was in this case about making a bills, making a full automatic bills. This is some kind of commerce, and this is very interesting for resolving this problem. I'm
Mhm.
very proud for making this because you know how PHP works. Yes, of course.
Yes. Yes.
So in this case, I need some kind of a drop list colored. So
Mhm.
when you want to drop list, you need a colored drop list, which several colors depend on some other input from database.
Yes.
So on the net, you cannot find some kind of drop down list which colors. Of course, you cannot find this before 10 years, and I'm not sure that you can find now this solution. And this solution was very simple.
Yeah. Okay, that sounds good. I mean, yeah, finding simple and simple is genius often,
Yeah,
as
of
they say.
course.
Yeah. But yeah, I have a comment here. You're saying that you prefer a job in a pharmacy sector. So, but it's not that important then for you. You're happy to work also non-pharmacy related.
Yeah, of course. Pharmacy sector is big data and the big money, and a lot of people prefer jobs in the pharmacy because they are work with a lot of money, and they share this money when you need you, when they need you.
Okay, I see. Okay, I see. But you're looking for a full-time position or half-time, or tell me a little maybe about that.
Well, I will speak with you very freely and very honestly. So
Okay.
I never understood how you can try a measure a programming job sitting several hours on your ass and
Oh
hacking
no
on
no
the.
no 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 no! It's not like you have to work like from clock to clock these days. You know, works are remote and working times are free. But you know, it's like generally, you know, it's like back at the old days they said like 160 hours is a full time. You know, these days almost nobody really works 160 hours. Maybe full time is considered for most of the guys, maybe around maybe I don't know, more than 100. You know, it's like it's approximately how much you commit. You know, it's like mm, most of the people have something like their full time, and many people work like, you know, half of their time that they have in one thing, half of the time that they have another thing. So some kinda you can say like is it like, are you
Yeah, of
looking
course.
for let's put it then this way, are you looking for a thing that will occupy all your programming, most of your programming time that you will yeah, do commercially, or this is your side project you're looking for, something like that maybe is the question then.
Oh yeah, I understand. So if I understood you well, this is the project who expect a full-time programmer attention on this project. Yes or no?
They prefer, but if you're like if you're a great guy and all the other candidates who are happy to do full time are not that great guys, you know, it's like it's how they say, it's better to have a good thing in you know, it's like always nice to work with great people. So you prefer to have great people with less input rather than not so great people more input.
Well, I'm very fast when I'm working on the program. I'm thinking about 95% what I need to do, and about 5% is hacking on the keyboard. So I think about if you thinking about programmer, uh, average programmer working, for example, 10 hours for one problem. And I think that myself spend about 2 hours for this problem. So I'm about 5 times faster than average programmer, and this is the kind why I'm not like to speak about full time, because 8 time full time it's a lot of job, and if I finish this job for 2 weeks, what we do next rest of months?
I see. I got my answer. It's clear, and yeah, it's totally fine. Um, I mean, I haven't seen your code, nor I haven't we haven't done any technical interview, but from my personal just human understanding perspective, I trust and believe that you're a great programmer. So now I'm just going to explain you how to convince the customer of that. Uh, so I would suggest to just send maybe a small piece of plain PHP code with what you can, like that you're really proud of. It doesn't have to be the whole software, just a small piece of it. I
Okay.
will send that to the team's senior developer. He will tell that, all right, this guy is advanced guy. Then I will present you to the customers. Then probably they are less technical again. They will have a call with you too, and hopefully we can move on from there and just get you working on the project.
So you are CEO. You are CEO of this project, and you are top man for organize all, or we are speak about some other client, and I work directly with him.
I'm the CEO of the Crew New, and we have multiple customers, and the project you will be working is our one of the biggest customers.
So this is project of new crew, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. So these customers is customers of new crew, but he must consider that I'm fine for this project for him.
Uh, That's correct. I mean, if they don't find you as a suitable person, we will assign you to another project where approval is not needed. But I would love to put you into that project because
This
it,
is big and interesting project for you.
it
You think
is
this is
it
big
is
and interesting?
interesting. It other coders who have been working with this customer, they are happy with. They are happy. Let's say like some customers are not so good to work with. This customer is good to work with.
Oh yeah, I understand. So this is a project which a large database
Uh,
or very large database, huge database,
to be
or
honest,
no
I
database.
don't know too much about the project more than I told you.
No problem. I need to send you some piece of code. Do you want some piece of code who's working on the database directly, like MySQL code or PHP code transferred to produce some uh, HTML code on the client side? Because I have both.
maybe some database is more interesting. I don't know, whatever you think is like more interesting to have a look of another PHP coder, you know?
Oh, both is very interesting because with PHP you can do anything. You can, of course, first thing is working database, but second things, and I'm very proud of this because you can produce pure HTML code with JavaScript and all this coming only from PHP. But
Well,
keeping on the database code, that I send you some working of database.
that's
Even need to mention another site that you can produce a complete website from PHP. And from my opinion, this is a one-page website because this is only one page, and all source code is in database, and he can change when work. And when I work on this code, this become smaller and smaller after my work. So if I start, yeah, of course, if I start with about 100 kilos of source code, after 2 or 3 months, it will be 50. And after 1 year, it will be only 10% from beginning. Because code become more and more compact, you coding and the code becomes smaller. I think this is normal.
that is normal, yeah.
So I send you some piece of code connected to database.
Let's do that.
And
see on tema saatis mulle vist meiliga ka vist.
But I can see that my colleague here next to me is actually showing that you have already sent some sample code to my colleague, which here is a sample produced for pharmacy company that you have put in the top. So I think you have sent already, so that's good.
yes, but you say you send some good. This is ordinary piece of code, nothing special inside.
Okay, send some.
Okay, I will send you some better example.
Okay, let's do it that way. Will be much more interesting.
Okay, I will send you. You can I can send you on LinkedIn, or I send you here on the Viber. It's the same for me.
Sending Viber. Viber is like yeah, better.
Okay, I hope for the next meeting I will fix camera things so you can see me. I'm very ashamed because I'm not on
no
time.
worries. No worries.
Prepare.
No worries. But yeah, meeting with other guys would be cool to have. Yeah.
Of course, I have camera, but I'm installing just about 10 minutes, so it's not complete setup. Okay,
No
I will send you code. We will still in contact. Okay, bye for now.
Do it that way. Thank you very much for your time and have a great day.
Yeah, you too. Ciao.
All right. Ciao.